In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete your survey in Surveymonkey. Whether you're clearing up space or simply need to remove an outdated survey, I'm here to help you through this straightforward process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to surveymonkey.com. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're logged in, you will find yourself on the Surveymonkey dashboard. This is where you can view and manage all your surveys. Next, from your dashboard, you need to locate and click on the option labeled All Surveys. This section is essentially the main library where all your created surveys are stored. It's a convenient spot to manage everything you've worked on, whether they're drafts, active surveys, or even those that have been closed. Once you're in the All Surveys section, take a moment to locate the specific survey you wish to delete. You might recognize it by its title or the date it was created. After you've found the survey, focus your attention on the right side of the survey title. You'll see a small icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. This icon is often referred to as the More Options menu. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. Clicking the 3 dots will open up a drop-down menu with a few different options. From this menu, you'll want to select Delete. When you do this, Surveymonkey will prompt you with a confirmation message. This step is important as it prevents accidental deletions of your valuable data. If you're sure about deleting the survey, confirm your choice by clicking on Delete in the confirmation dialog. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted a survey from your Surveymonkey account. Remember, deleting a survey is permanent and cannot be undone. So make sure you've downloaded any necessary data or results before you go ahead with this action. I hope this guide has been helpful and easy to follow. Clearing out surveys you no longer need can certainly help keep your workspace organized, making it easier to focus on the tasks that matter most. Thanks for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and guides.